which enhance the after-sales service that will make your customer feel pampered and cared.
Hey, Ryan, everyone also want to do the video marketing, but every business also can do video marketing, man.
Hiya, you don't know, man? There are 4 major types of video marketing that you can do on your own, which are educational video, company culture video, product video, and testimonial video, which we had done and good result lah. First, if you are selling a product, you may provide a video of product demo so your audience will know about how the product works instead of the product USP, which is unique selling point, the Q&A before usage or after usage. A lifestyle demo will more enhance your brand experience, so they will have the clear picture on how they are gonna to enjoy your product. The satisfaction projection is very important leh. Besides, you may also provide a product launch video to let your audience feel excited on the product launching. But there are some tips for you to do that. The traditional product launch will only promote their brands and the product. For the new norm, we need to be connecting the golden triangle, which is connect both brands, consumer, and employees together. We can infuse some interactions such as consumer refer consumer program, which is a consumer who buy your products and refer your products to the other consumers and get some interest from it. Or maybe old bottles exchange new sample or product programs. For example, like skincare product, you may use some anti-toner bottles to exchange a new sample of toner. From different brands also never mind. This can creating a feeling of giving out existing love to receive new love. Next, the testimonial video. If you are selling a skincare product, you may provide a testimonial video of satisfied customer to your audience so that they will feel confident and convinced when they think of your product. Besides a common product testimonial video, can we have a customer satisfaction video which enhance the after-sales service that will make your customer feel pampered and cared? For example, the customer purchase your product and maybe after a few days they've met some problem on it and contact you, you are still willing to help them. This will make them feel happy and maybe you'll ask them to capture a satisfying video. So, let's open all the possibilities that will make your customer feel happy and proud.
Hey, just now it's all about the product. So is it?
Hiya, don't so nervous lah. Now I talk about service lor. Okay, for digital service, you may provide educational video. For example, you may teach your audience on how to set up ads. You also may come out a video of how to choose a suitable graphics according to the product. This is because a suitable graphics will help you in increasing the engagement more effectively. You also can share about how your sales funnel works, provided you are not selling scam. The last and most consuming time video, company culture video. For CCV, we can divide it into 2 majors, which is internal and external. The internal attract talents, collaboration, and it might help to getting funding as well. Why? Follow us and subscribe lah! This video is more about basic, getting funding and expansion in advance here. One of the example, when you produce an employee testimonial video, targeted talents need to understand what will grow them, how they're gonna to perform their best, and more. This is the criteria you may include in the video. Still confused? You may refer to an example in our company website. For external, it can help you to attract new business, new collaboration. For example, if you are an insurance agent, you may produce a video that emphasizes the culture. You are ready for the client 24/7. The video will show how you are able to help your client during their hard time, especially when it comes to a car accident. They lost their insurance card. You will be there. Sound harsh, but this is the way. Same like doctor, they need to be on call 24 hours. This will really hit the mind of the audience. Once you produce the above video, can you find collaboration for your service? For example, you may collaborate with the tow car operators and make a shooting when they are towing a car at the midnight and showing the audience that the operators are on call and reachable no matter at what time. Hence, the shooting costs will be borne by both sides. This is collaboration. That's why this kind of video is the most consuming time and it doesn't bring immediate result. Well, here's the end of the video. Let's start to make your own video. If you still have any question, just comment. We will try our best to reach you.
Hey, what are you looking for? The video is already end. If you are interested in our video content and want to watch more video from us, subscribe lah!
Oh yeah, don't forget to ring the bell if you want to get the notification when we upload the new video.
Bye!